last year when we started the collaboration sa mga district hospitals, provincial hospitals, nag-aamat-amat na apply at implement. That's why with the IPASA sa PNPC, there were 12 engaged hospitals already. With the PNPC also, they're doing also some teleconsultation. So, and then the coordination of the referrals is being enhanced. Actually, we have initial reports na of improvement with regards to the number of coordinated referrals. So the output of this advocacy is that we have to decrease uncoordinated referrals and increase coordinated referrals. With that, with proper coordination, we can control also the cases coming in and being stepped down to the different hospitals. So with regards to the classification of cases, we want the increase in the tertiary and subspecialty cases in the decrease of the primary and secondary cases as the very two impact measures for this advocacy.
Yes, Melanie. Doc, during the convention sa Philippine Heart Association, naka-mention sila, although hindi na po ang WBMC will be for further, offer some further studies for doctors. Can you tell us about this? Ano siya ng klase, no?
I think it's the fellowship. Yeah. We are offering fellowship. I think ma-expound na ni Doc May, our very single chairman of the Good
afternoon once again, ma'am. So this is with regards to the for the sustainability of these services, ma'am, of the cardiovascular care services. So for the human resource, ma'am, so we have to establish the WBMC Cardiovascular Care Center. Will be establishing an adult cardiology fellowship program. Na sa Subong, ma'am, dito lang na available, wala diri sa province of wala diri sa Region 6. Lang siya available sa Manila. So tanan nga graduates sa internal medicine nga doctors na gusto nga mag-cardiologist or mag-heart surgeon or interventional cardio, nagakadto sila sa Manila for training or makadto sila sa Cebu, sa Davao. Pero dili sa ato nga region, wala pa sa hospital, tertiary hospital na may cardiology fellowship training program. So last January 28, 2025, ma'am, we applied and for the accreditation for the specialty training program with the Philippine Heart Association. So at this latest, ma'am, our documents is with the specialty board. So hoping, ma'am, it will be released with a positive that we will be accredited to start our fellowship training by April.
How is it going to benefit the people of Western Visayas?
So, ang mga doctors that are willing to go on fellowship training for another 4 years of continuing education as a doctor, ma'am. Halin ka, graduate ka medicine, nag-training ka nga maging internal medicine, bali mga doktor na sila sa mga edad 19 years old hasta nga mag-senior citizen. So, 4 years na siya nga residency training. Pero kung gusto mo pagiging mag-specialista ka sa heart, another 4 years training na siya. Amo na siya ang wala diri sa aton. Dito kami, kayo sa aton, Philippine Heart Center sa Quezon City to go into another 4 years of fellowship training na maging doktor ka sa heart. Ako yung doktor ka sa heart sa bata. So ang heart surgeon man, after na training sa surgery, diri sa Western, 4 ka tuig, malakat naman na siya sa Manila for 4 years of heart surgeon nga training para ang iya focus ng opera na siya sa heart. So ang iuna naman nga to establish here nga available lang diri para nga ang mga graduates diri sa Iloilo, ma'am, diri na lang ang training, ma-continue ang services kasi wala man na wala man na, hindi man na mamabutigan, natatigulang. Kaso dapat may bagong tubo, mamagbulos, na mag-continuous ang servisyo to serve the people of Region 6. So that's the purpose now.